Yeah, there's only one car with those taillights. And with the cool hideaway headlights. Oh yeah. Look at this car. 1970 Cougar XR7. The top of the line edition. This bad boy is sick. Absolutely laser straight, beautiful black, color sanded, polished clear coat, blacked out trim, lenses are blacked out, done in the driven style, staggered wheels and tires, American Racing spinners on 20s and 18s, sport mirror, leather interior with XR7 badging embroidered in the headrests. Come on, come on, come on. Wood steering wheel, XR7 leather trim, center console. This is one bad boy. Passenger side, I don't know if that's I think that's a clock over there. Yeah, that's what's supposed to be over there. Totally sick. 70s style with the brown saddle and the black leather, sleek black exterior, and it doesn't stop there. A freshly rebuilt 351 powerhouse automatic. It just gives you all the power you want. Reliability, you already heard it sounds badass. That is for sure. So it's ready to roll, turnkey, just a beautiful, beautiful luxury muscle car. The baddest of the bad. Beautiful 351 dress-up kit. You can see everything's done up. Factory AC system. Aluminum radiator. Overflow, new battery, brakes have been gone through, steering's been done. This car is turnkey. This is a beautiful, fun, reliable weekend killer. Laser straight, no rust. We're talking California car, Southern California. You can see there's no evidence of rust on this car. This is one of the amazing things about these Southern California cars. They're just wonderful, wonderful condition. This one's straight, true, and just sicker than sick. I personally love it how the rear B-pillar and the sail panel is completely smooth. It all falls nicely back. Just beautiful. Everybody's got Mustangs, everybody's got Camaros. This is what attracts attention when you go to a car show. How can this not just blow everybody away? Beautiful wheels, the spinners, red calipers. Man, you can't get a go with this car, you're in trouble, my man. Let me tell you right now. Come on. Come on, check this thing out. We're in Southern California over at driven.co, 949-234-6353. Please come take a look at this car. You will not be disappointed. You will be thrilled with this car, and you will want to take it home. So just warning you right now. And if you do, man, everybody's going to be jealous. That's for sure.